Well, hi, I hope we're live. I don't know if we're live yet, but I think we are live. Hi. And today I'm going to be coding some Erlang kind of thing. I think it might count myself as a viewer, I don't know yet, because I have to wait till this starts playing before I can figure out. Anyway, I'm going to start playing some music while I basically coding, say, a Tic-Tac-Toe kind of game, because, I just felt like making Tic-Tac-Toe, so, yeah. Just gotta find a way. Gotta copy that link. What a weird link, eh? Where's that? It's the Twitch. Please tell me that's right. That's right. Hi, I hope we're live. I don't know. There we go. We did. I am now live, and I'm probably the viewer. I don't know yet. But yes, we'll be chatting in the Twitch chat, and I will get us sorted. But first, I'm going to play some music. So yeah, that should work. Put that down a little bit. Should be alright. So, let me just get Twitch chat sorted out on here. And window capture. It should be that. There we go. Well, I'm gonna have to. There we go. That's a good way to edit the scene. So we're just gonna do that. And just playing some music. Dive music at the moment, just because music is cool and stuff. We could discuss whatever, by the way, whilst this is happening. So position. Thank you. I might shrink chat a bit. I'm using it. I know I could use like better Twitch, but nah. It's not necessary. What is necessary is that we get this bigger. Though in reality, well, actually, let's just see how this goes, and then I might change it as we go along. There we go. Right, it's gonna need to share the tweet, so let's go and what was it? Put link in. Hey guys, I'm gonna be building Tic-Tac-Toe. In Erlang. If that's your enjoying us, maybe. No, it's the Twitch chat. No, it's not what I want to do. That's not what I wanted to do. The opposite I wanted to do. I'm just shouting out on Twitter. Yeah, it has terrible thumbnails, isn't it? Yep. Here is chat will be here, by the way. There we go. That's that. Now let's actually start. Because, no one's starting yet. Anyway, don't know who's actually in here. No one. Just gonna retweet that. Like that. What's going on here? Nothing. Okay, that's interesting. Anyway, save this. Put it up here, and let's just put it for fun. And let's call this Tic-Tac-Toe. No, actually no, cancel that because there we go. Now we save it as Tic-Tac-Toe. No, toe.erl. There you go. There we go. Right, so let's begin with, well, first of all, naming the module, Tic-Tac-Toe. So, just copy. I'm just using model that expired, which is the module the university uses to teach us and stuff. Just using that as the basis for some of the stuff, as a reference, but also doing that. This is the standard stuff, by the way. So, module Tic-Tac-Toe. And for now, I'm going to use compile export underscore all. I might actually got it wrong. I think it's not a list per se, but oh, it doesn't matter. We'll find out. I'm just using that for now rather than export such and such because I don't know what to export just yet. I'm gonna test everything individually first. So you know. First things first, let's make a display. So actually no, wait, let's not make it a display. Actually yeah, that's a good idea. Why don't we make, what should we do first? How do we begin? Well, I won't bother with run because that obviously won't exist just yet, but what if I tried... Actually, is this working? Can you all see this alright, actually? I don't think you can see this fine. Hold on. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll put that towards the left or something. And then I'll get rid of this. And let's add. I don't want all the cache that's done. Capture mouse cursor, yeah. Capture layer windows, no. That's all fine. There we go. Let's just do that. There we go. Do that, and I might have to do that. So you know what I'm on, basically. That's absolutely fine, and there we go. And of course, there's actually more space than we need. Hold on. I wish I could group some stuff on here. Because this isn't going to be centered enough. Oh hey Matt, welcome to this very boring show at the moment because I'm not doing anything. Now I'm gonna do something, so we'll make the display. Oh, Tic-Tac-Toe, and it's gonna... I decided I'm gonna use a tuple for this, it'll be easier that way. I'll put A1. Actually no, wait, I won't. I'll just do this for now, and then I can make it tuple anytime. A1, A2, A3. But these are just basic coordinates, kinda. So, you know, like that. B1. So, like, you know, the tic-tac-toe board. If you know what I mean. Well, not board, but... C1, C2, C3, display, and that will basically result in, nah, that'll be too bad. Right, let's just do, there we go. And we're basically gonna make it somehow, so basically we're gonna do some IO formats which are basically display it on the console. Like so. But IO format there. So we'll do -p because that's what you need, yeah, just what you generally need to do. Actually, that's not what I'm actually going to do for the line. I'm going to make it like a grid. This will make it easier for the users to, for people to, you know, kind of insert, like select which row they want and such. Really cool. So it's going to be, A1, A2, A3. These are the variables used, and P is just to say, yeah, we want a variable here, here, and here, and these are the ones we want put in here. Oh, that's nice. It's better than the first one, actually. The port, anyway. Not necessarily the game. I've heard about the first game, but I wonder around that port. I'm gonna change this. So that's a 1, 2, 3. What I will want to do is I'll just put 1 and then A, B, C, and this will be 1, A, B, C. So, I guess that's a yes then. That's a yes. Anyway. No, actually. So we want kind of like the Tic-Tac-Toe grid, if you know what I mean. Save that, and yeah, this just displays it for when necessary as the grid, and what I'll do is I'll do that instead. So we've got 2 spaces, A, B, C, we've got that. So we've got a nice little grid going on here. Oh yeah, and we need obviously 3 and 2. What's this all about? Oh, I did as well, but I didn't bother doing that. Ah, that's a good port, then. That's pretty alright. Yeah, it's pretty good. Anyway, let's test this. So where is the CMD? Right, I'm gonna need to add this as a window as well. In that case, what I'm actually gonna do why is this filling the screen? No, I don't want it to do to command prompt. Thanks. There we go. No, this isn't working. Yes, captured layered windows. Yes, thank you. Guess that doesn't work. Alright, gonna have to add this as a window and just move it around, I guess. How am I gonna do this though? There. I gotta go right there. What I'll do is put these like that, and then I'll add. I shall add the command prompt like so. And this will be for CMD, capture markers, blah. There we go. And what will happen is I'll just do that. But here we're going to test it, so actually remove that. Because I'm going to resize that to normal size. There we go. There we go, you can see CMD. Yeah. So we're gonna obviously compile this now, so let's just cd /dd. Cd d server. I don't like typing this out. It's annoying. Because every single time I want to test something, which is why I'm going to keep this command prompt window open for the duration of this. There we go. And then we go ERL Tic-Tac-Toe. .error. There we go. Tic-Tac-Toe. Cool. Ah! I ran into a problem. I don't think it's gonna let me call it tic-tac-toe like that at all. Yeah, I'm gonna have to like close this and then there we go. And then see if I can let's just save it as no, I'm gonna make it short. I'm gonna call it tic-tac. No, I'll just call it tic-tac-toe like that, but with no spaces or anything. There we go, tic-tac-toe. I'll just use that for now. Then save as. And get rid of this one. And then cancel that. And now try. See. Bad module verification. Oh, I see. I see what I did wrong. There we go, change module, it has to be on there as well. There we go, we did it. So let's run tic-tac-toe. Display. Now just go X, X, X. E X no. Need a way to display noughts, but you know, not noughts, empty spaces. That's nice. That's like how is that done, by the way? Just wondering. Oh, I made a mistake here, yeah. That's why I won't display properly. Yeah, I've gotta add a new line. No, you know, like a new that. There we go. Gotta do -n because you go at -n and you know. There we go, we have a tic-tac-toe grid. Like that. It's not perfect though, I'm probably gonna add something else actually. Make it more of a grid type thing. Let's double dash and then like that. There we go. Almost, except this needs another space. Ah! Yeah, I like the English dub of Digimon. Depends on which Digimon though you're talking about. I like Tamers, the Tamers dub. That was alright. It wasn't perfect, but you know. For a children's dub, it's not bad. Could be worse. There we go. Did that. What if I just did? There we go, and ignore my family going on and on again. But that's what they always do. There. Will a single dash do? Yeah, I'll be fine. No, I don't want to end. No, I'm gonna paste that again. Ah, nicely. I liked the benches, that was pretty alright. Save that. There we go, I have made a display that works somewhat. But I might just... maybe on the lines will work actually. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What am I actually gonna do? I'm gonna get rid of one. I'll show you. And save that. Compile that. Yeah, that seems to work alright. But I might just change that. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, so I'm gonna get rid of one. So in reality it's gonna be okay. Actually, I kinda liked. No, I think this will work out. This will be alright. Seems to work alright. Nah, I think I actually... yeah, this is fine. This is absolutely fine. What do you think? What do you think about this so far, Matt? Like, this display? Oh yeah, and the code is that, if you're wondering. There you go. So, we've done the display, that's for sure. What else will we need? I'm actually gonna make, yeah, I will actually make this the tuple. Not really necessary in this version, but... hold on a sec. Yeah, hold on. Yeah. Alright, I gotta go. I will probably, well, I mean, I'm not gonna go for sure. I'll be right back. Yeah. Let me just put on, let me just actually loop this. There we go. Now it's looped. Now let me just type a message. Text. BRB outline. Yes. Be right back. Okay. Oh, we're back. Alright, I'm back, but I'm probably only gonna be back for like 5 minutes or so. Actually, yeah, even less than that, so... now, but yeah, I probably... Do you want me to continue to stream afterwards? Actually, where did I get rid of that text? Do you want me to continue to stream afterwards or not really? Like, I don't mind either way, I just want to know. Otherwise, I'll probably do this on my own, I don't mind. And I might stream some Hyper DBZ tomorrow, by the way, if that's interesting to you. Let's just check Twitter. I'm also going to take off that. View my playlist. I mean, take it off, not one track. You still there, by the way, Matt? If not, then, you know, never mind, but... Anyway, let's... Fill up display. Now let's start with a run method. I need something to dignify empty pup. How do I... Hold on a second, I'm gonna do a test. Let me just quickly... Yep, doesn't work. What about underscore? Doesn't work. That's a variable. Of course, that doesn't work. Of course it's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. I need something. Q. What looks... No, can I do non-caps? I need something that works well as an empty variable, but what? Zero could work. Let's try it. Yeah, zero could work for empty. Yeah, that's alright. It'll look a little weird, but you know, it'll stand out as well. Right, so let's do that. Put this aside to keep the scene editable. There we go. So run is basically gonna say, so IO format. Hello and welcome to Tic-Tac-Toe. Is that how you style us? I'm gonna do a Google search quickly. Where is YouTube chat? There it is. I just got Tic-Tac-Toe like this. And welcome to Tic-Tac-Toe. Empty array because there's no variables. And for that IO format, to start the game, simply type start. Oh yes, and a new line. I mustn't forget that. Start to stop. No, start. simply type stop. If you need help at any time, simply type. Alright. Yeah, Matt, I'm probably going to go like a few minutes. So, do you want me to continue after the street, like after I go? Because got dinner and you know, time's going to go like on and stuff. But yeah, do you want me to continue? Or I don't mind if you don't want me to continue, but and stuff like that. But you know, if you need help, simply type. But yeah, we'll just type in the run command, which will basically allow you to basically run the game. Although I'll probably type rename to execute or something if it doesn't let me run it. But you know, simply type help. Let's just see if that compiles first of all. Where's that? Syntax. Oh, that's right. There you go. Yeah, could do that. Or to make things simpler, actually, what I'm gonna do is gonna do this. Oh yeah. The only reason why I'm using this instead of hitbox is because for some reason hitbox is not working at the moment. That's like it. Yeah, I understand the whole YT. But, you know, I'd rather not just use YT chat and using Twitch chat only because of that. Although, Hitbox might work out after, I don't know what's going on with it. I've been asked support. I wonder if that should reply back. No, they have not replied back, so I don't know what's going on with that. But, yeah. I probably won't, alright, I probably won't. I'll probably do it after, like, alone and such. But I'll probably continue until then, you know. Might shut the first product tomorrow though, because I might stream tomorrow probably some HyperDVC and some other things. I don't know yet, because my parents are going to be home tomorrow, and yeah, it's going to be me and my brother. So yeah, I might do that later on. Somewhat probably after dinner, because my brother needs to eat and stuff. But yeah, I'll probably end this very soon. Gonna keep in mind there, so I can hear. So let's just test this. So let's test that. So now, does it run? Here we go. And run. There we go. Can I actually? No, I need to, it needs to be a process actually. If I'm gonna do that, I just realised. Type stop. Actually, does this work? Try that and give me sound like 0 report IO. Oh. Oh, there you go. what you gotta do is board. There we go. Simply start. Now that will go a new line. Alright, I gotta go now, so yeah, I'll see you whenever, probably tomorrow when I stream some games and such. But yeah. Hopefully Hitbox will be working there. But yeah. I should be going now, so yeah, goodbye. I'll be back because it won't let me stop the stream unless this is streaming. So yeah, well done YouTube. So let me just see if this actually freaking works. Yeah, I want to stop streaming, thank you very much. There we go, now I can stop. Alright, I'll see you now. Goodbye.